Hi everyone, Max from Small Fish Collective. Today I just want to do a quick video to show you the technique that I talk about often for Etsy sellers that I want to leave Etsy. So you want to be able to pull all your emails, of your clients before you leave, so you can kind of message them, tell them about your new shop, etc. Etsy doesn't really let you do that, but there's a workaround. I just want to show you guys how it's done because I've explained it, but I understand that it's easier sometimes when you see it and you can follow along. This isn't my shop. It's actually one of my clients' shops. It's Chelsea from Crochet & Co. She's doing really well on Shopify now, and I think she just forgot to close this. She gave me access for this little video. As you can see, this is a shop that did really well, 700 sales, and she switched over when she realized. You're going to want to go to your shop manager section, and then you want to go to orders and shipping. And you're going to click on sold orders. I'm not going to do it because I don't want to show any sensitive information, and by default this shows some addresses. So here is the page in question. I just switched from paid to shipping, and I won't scroll down because I don't want to show more addresses, but basically there's 30-ish pages of this. Every time you load the completed orders tab, it loads about 20-ish of these orders and stuff like that. And the email isn't shown, but it's in there somewhere. Don't worry. So if you go to your right click, just right click menu on the page, and go to View Page Source, and this is available in any browser that you use. I'm using Chrome, but it's available in Firefox and Explorer. And then when you click on that, it's going to give you this page, which is a bunch of gibberish. There's nothing. You can't really see anything. You can't. As you can see, my cursor is really small. There's a lot of information on this page. So we're going to use a tool. I use Pricotta.com/mail extract, but there's a bunch of different ones that you can use. But basically, you want to go here and do Control-A, Control-C. So select all the text on the page and copy it. And then you want to bring it down here. And you just click on Extract Email Addresses. And I'm not going to scroll down because I don't want to show email addresses, but they're over here if you scroll down. But as you can see, it found 19 addresses in that block of code. And so you just select all those email addresses that you're going to find down here, and you paste them into an Excel file, and then you can just export that really easily into your email service, whether that's MailChimp or any other. I just know most of you use MailChimp because it's free. But any kind of email service provider has a way to import an email list from an Excel file. Whether it's an XLS or a CSV, it doesn't really matter. There's no really good way to extract their names too, and I know that kind of sucks because I always say to personalize emails. At this time, I haven't really found a good way to extract the names on top of it. But in the same way, you can't really have it segment and stuff like that. So that's kind of a little bit of a problem, but it's not a huge deal. You having the emails is already a really, really good start, and it's a good way for you to be able to send off all these different emails and updates and things like that. So this was the technique. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, shoot me a message in the comments. And I hope this is also a proof to you guys of how much Etsy wants to keep you, prisoner of their platform. The fact that we have to go through such a big process to get, your clients' email addresses. This is your information. This shouldn't be this hard, but it is. That's my problem in this case. And it's just another proof that Etsy doesn't really have your back. And that you just leave this platform right now. But maybe that's a fight for another day. I hope it's not. I hope this inspires you to leave the platform and go with Shopify. Have a great day, guys.